where like the theme music comes in, right? And welcome for Dating for Two. And welcome to Cooking for Two. I will be your pilot for the show. My name is Captain Eric. This is our pilot episode, episode 1.0. You might be walking around outside day to day thinking, I'm hungry and I have another person to feed. Might be your significant other. Maybe the Secret Service is in town and they're hungry. Might be a date. President Obama, heard the Pope's coming in town lately. Maybe an aunt or uncle that's in town. Moms, dads, nieces, nephews, Walmart workers. Best friends forever. Boyfriends, girlfriends, all the friends. Could be anyone, I don't know. But the point is, we're cooking for two. The goal is to make a meal using your everyday household items, also using ingredients that are under $30. You might want to use your pot, pan, Teflon, or a cooking sheet. Our mission is to cook one entree, two sides, and all for $30 or under $30. For Pilot 1.0, we're gonna cook for you some Chicken Alfredo. The two sides being salad, ding, and, second side, salad, ding, and some bread. Garlic bread. Garlic bread. Salad, garlic bread. For today's ingredients, we have French bread, romaine lettuce, broccoli, garlic salt, butter, tomatoes, shredded Parmesan cheese, chopped mushrooms, homemade style egg pasta, Italian dressing, whipping cream, boneless, skinless chicken breast. Oops, we forgot this. So the first thing we need to do is cook the chicken in the pan. Start cooking it and get it brown. You're gonna wanna put the noodles in a larger pot. You're gonna wanna occasionally flip the chicken. While your chicken's cooking in the pan, you can start on the Alfredo sauce. For Alfredo sauce, you will need whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, make sure it's shredded, and of course butter. You're gonna wanna put all these ingredients into the pot at the same time. You'll also wanna stir the sauce and check on the noodles. While that's going on the stove, grab a steamable bag of bird's eye broccoli and throw it in the microwave for 6 minutes. At this point, you'll want your +1's help. Your +1 will watch the stove while you take the lettuce and the tomatoes and start chopping them up. These mushrooms have already been pre-chopped, but if you get mushrooms that aren't, go ahead and chop them now. You don't want to put the salad dressing on until you're ready to eat, or else it gets too soggy. When the salad chopping is done, go ahead and get your bread. You're going to want to cut it in half to prep it for the garlic. You're going to want to go ahead and butter it on both sides and salt it to your liking. When your chicken's done, make sure you take it off the stove and cut it for putting it in your pasta and prep it for the Alfredo sauce. When your pasta is done, go ahead and put it in the strainer, strain it, let the water come out, and then go ahead and put it back into the pot. After that, go ahead and pour the sauce into the noodles. Take your cut up chicken breast and also put that into the noodles. Take the broccoli out of the microwave and put it in the pasta pot. At this point, you'll want to stir all the ingredients together, and while you're stirring them, have your +1 go ahead and put the bread into the oven. The oven should be put on broil for the bread, and make sure you check it often because it's really easy to burn. Now is a great time to put your salad dressing into your salad. The only thing left to do is put your food on a plate and prep it for serving. To eat it and stuff. And here's our final product. We've got 1 entree, 2 sides, and look at all the extra. What can you do with the extra? Feed a homeless guy. Have seconds. Feed your local fire department. Feed your mom's, grandma's uncle. Feed everyone in the world with all these extras. We have 1 entree, 2 sides, all for under $30. Time to enjoy. Thank you for joining us on our pilot episode, episode 1.0 on cooking for 2. We hope to see you next time. We have a lot of great dishes. It's time to go. This has been our pilot episode, episode 1.0. Thanks for joining us on cooking for 2. We hope to see you next time. Pan out. $13 items under $30.